One of the most important decisions in a Midwest building project is the heating and air conditioning system. Vincent Plumbing and Heating Incorporated is a leading contractor of radiant heat systems, high-velocity air conditioning, and full-service plumbing for residential, commercial, and industrial customers. Their training and expertise enables Vincent Plumbing and Heating to design systems that meet your specific needs, whether that need is for new construction or remodeling. Vincent's staff of state-licensed designers, engineers, and technicians develops all plans in-house and install the complete system. Many traditional HVAC companies lack the engineering and training required for a lifelong trouble-free system. Vincent Plumbing and Heating customizes each design, using only components from the top manufacturers and installed by their certified technicians. Radiant floor heat is a clean and cost-effective alternative to forced air heating, not to mention the most comfortable and even heat throughout a building that you've ever experienced. Unlike forced air heat that blasts hot air near registers but leaves cold spots in hard-to-heat areas, Radiant systems deliver heat at the floor level, warming people, furniture, and other surfaces, not just the air. And because Radiant heat does not use noisy blowers, it doesn't disperse allergens and pollutants into the air. Radiant heat eliminates icy bathroom or basement floors, whether the floor surface is marble, tile, laminate, or wood. Vincent's technicians will create zones with separate heat controls that allow easy adjustment to suit the individual needs of the homeowner. Radiant technology concentrates heat near the floor and is particularly suited for rooms with vaulted ceilings and expansive windows. Radiant floor heat is so efficient, it can save up to 20 to 40% on heating bills. Vincent Plumbing and Heating designs a variety of radiant systems that use warm water circulating through flexible, durable Wurzbo PEX tubing under the floor of the room. If the heating system is being designed for new construction, the radiant system is installed during the initial construction phase, pouring the concrete slab areas with the tubing right in the floor. Vincent staff can design radiant heating for retrofit into existing homes with cold basements or drafty upper floors as well. Upon completion, it is virtually maintenance-free. The PEX tubing is installed in continuous loops and is guaranteed to be free from leaks when installed by technicians with advanced training. Vincent Plumbing and Heating's expertise as a radiant floor contractor was recently featured in CBS's Today's Home Remodeler TV show.
It's the best type of heat. It's actually the most economical way to heat a home, and plus it's the most even way to heat.
Okay, well tell me a little bit about the construction process. What's got us to this point so far and what's needed to be completed?
What we had to do to get to this point was do a heat loss analysis of the room, of this particular room. Actually, the entire house has to have a heat loss analysis.
So you went room by room?
Room by room. You have to measure the room, the ceiling height, the size of the windows, what the R value of the windows are, how much insulation is in the walls. Floor coverings have to be a concern. They have to be addressed in the beginning. Floor coverings can range from tile to wood to carpet. This is a new construction. The homeowners wanted some nice even heat, so they opted for radiant.
Now, how does radiant heat operate?
Stu, radiant heat has been around for hundreds of years. The ancient Romans actually used radiant heat. This particular heat in this home operates through hot water that goes through the tubes.
Now, you obviously need a heat source. What is it connected to create the hot water?
The hot water would come from a heat source such as a boiler, which could be an electric boiler or a natural gas boiler. Stu, what we have here is a 45-year-old home. The homeowners opted to have radiant heat installed throughout the house.
Now, how difficult is it to add radiant floor heat to an existing home?
Not difficult at all. It's a little bit more time-consuming, has a few more challenges than a typical new construction, but very feasible to do.
So really, it's like any other remodeling project.
The perfect complement to the Midwest's hot, humid summers is a high-velocity air conditioning system. Vincent Plumbing and Heating can design a cooling system for new construction or retrofit the air conditioning for remodeling projects that need to preserve the architectural integrity of a building. The Unico system can be installed in ceilings, floors, crawl spaces, and closets because it doesn't need large metal ductwork. It uses a system of flexible mini ducts that are insulated and sound dampened. The tubing delivers streams of conditioned air, gently mixing with the room's existing currents, eliminating drafts and providing even temperatures from ceiling to floor. The Unico outlets have a 5-inch outside diameter and easily blend into any decor. This unique system removes up to 30% more moisture than conventional air conditioning, a significant factor in areas like ours where summer humidity is a concern. Vincent Plumbing and Heating also provides hydronic heating systems, reverse osmosis water filtration systems, iron filters, water heaters and softeners, well and sump pumps, and a complete offering of today's finest bath products from Kohler and Porsche American Standard lines. Vincent Plumbing and Heating Incorporated is truly your full-service contractor, providing today's home builder with the finest state-of-the-art heating, air conditioning, and plumbing systems available.